Hi, welcome to the channel. If it's danger you're after, we've got that. If it's shiny restorations, we've got that. If it's just a clean, got that too. Ridiculously overpriced eBay wins, got that as well. And of course the odd Vysol 17.
Right, here I am, gloved up, tooled up. I've got my protective jacket thing on there because I've got to unwrap the parcel. And as we know, can't be too safe lately. And this one comes from Ben, and he has had a touch of the old COVID lately. So, right, let's get opening, shall we?
He knows I like my pink padding. Right, where are we? We get all this in. Box. Let's see what we've got. Good old Ben. Oh. Right, that's a nice rigid. Did. I'm not sure. I don't think I've got an offset 10. Thank you, Ben. That'll go to a slight shade of red, won't it? And go up on the wall. A ruler, that helped me count. Rustless. It is as well. They got that right. Oh, what a lovely little hammer. I do like little hammers. Yeah, that's nice, that is. Thank you, Ben. That's yeah, that's good for tapping stuff. I like that. That's just a handle, Ben. Just to make the weight up, that one, is it? Alright. Oh. That is a big version of a little one that I've just sold. Oh. Right, well, that wants a lot of work, that, doesn't it? But we'll give that a clean, see where we go with that. Now, I am a liker of these. Not very accurate anymore because they've been knocked about over the years, and well, I could watch John's video on how to square these back up. I think probably I could do that. And if it's not John's video, I've got no idea who done it. But yeah, we'll give that a go. We'll give that a go. I like that. Give that a clean. I think these are nutcrackers. Stainless steel nutcrackers. Some unusual stuff in there, Ben. Thank you very much. I like the, I like the different stuff. Got one of these myself that's as empty as that. Right, oh, now we're getting into interesting stuff. Little marbles. Oh, that's a marker. And a, if I start coughing, run. Right. And that's a marker and a measure. Don't use it myself, but I shall take a picture of that, put on eBay. Oh, well, these have got a, no, they haven't got a name on, but they're quite nice gas pliers. So again, eBay. .287s. .287s, they ring a bell. So does Quasimodo. Who are these? Win Timmins. Oh, yeah, well, we know I like these. Nice turnaround on them. And this is made, this has got a little maker's mark on. But my poor old eyes don't stand a fucking chance. Now, is this a Coase? What is this, Ben? You have to shout louder, Ben, I can't hear you. That's a something up there. I mean, I did get a Scoutcrafter message the other day. Not from Scoutcrafter, but the sort of messages Scoutcrafter gets where you get moaned at for destroying stuff. I got moaned at by the author of this book, Ron Geesing. He did send me a message because we do communicate by email, and he said I destroyed an English guaranteed wrought multi-tool because I polished the bollocks off it. But I mean, it was there on eBay for him to buy, so if he wants to rescue the tools, buy them yourself, isn't it? Yeah, so don't moan at me because I like polishing tools. I should moan at him because he don't polish tools, he lets them go rusty. That is a nice, oh, that is a nice footprint. Maybe I can get bronze membership because I've got a few footprints. Yeah, I noticed that, Ben. That's not the right what's it? If you could put the right one in the post for me, that would be lovely. How do you expect me to sell that without the right nut? Everyone knows now, thanks to Nash, they have nuts with names on. Who we got here? I've never seen this one before. Oh, no, Germany. Selected steel. This could be one of them pulse spanners again. Don't know. As we know, not too, what's it? Not too clever, am I? Not too up on my spanners. I like this little Gordon 6-inch. This is a different Gordon to the other two different Gordons I've got. So now I've got 3 Gordon 6 inches, all different. No name on this. I'll have to give it a clean, see if there's a name, but it's nice to get their Frenchies because no one wants to buy them. Thanks, Ben. Aha, now. Ben walked past this down the car boot, and when he told me, I said, fucking hell, you could have bought that for me. I can't fucking read it, look at that. Daft. It's a Williams, and it matches my Billings and Spencer one, so that's a keeper for me. He said he weren't sure because of the chain on it, but these chains don't actually come in very long, so the chain just hooks in there. You can hook it in like that, look, and that's it. That's your wrench. It's quite big for a pipe, isn't it, for a little wrench? Do you know what I'm saying? Now this could be an eagle, or it could be, oh, it's an alarm. Alright, well, that'll get a, yeah, that's a DIN 4246. That's probably come out of an old BMW or Mercedes or Audi, if it's got a DIN number on it. German number, made in England. I thought that was a fucking Lucas favourite then you'd sent me. And it's got a flag on it. It could be a tent. Don't know. Can you have a look? Tell me in the comments, because you know, I ain't going to watch my own video. Red one. Try not to breathe in too much as I open these parcels. Fucking size of them. Jesus, Ben. A bit wobbly. I've tightened them up on the old hydraulic press that tries to kill me. That'd make a good video, won't it, if it tries to kill me again. I'm going through this a bit quicker because you all lost interest in my last unboxing, according to the Google statistics. Thank you, Ben. You know I'll polish the bollocks off that and thingy it. Oh, look at the size of that Gador. Fucking hell, what is that? That's a 36. Jesus Christ. I reckon I'll get £1 or £1.50 for that, Ben. No, I reckon I'll get... They're not selling very well at the minute. I reckon I'll get... No, I could get nearly 20 quid for that in the height of the lockdown, but I reckon I'll get £12.50 now. And a 36mm Brit tool, that is... that's worth over 15 quid, Ben, that is. Thank you very much. Those 2 spanners... Oh, I better not say. No, I'll go back on that. I'll delete that. What's this? Is this a... The British-made King Dick. This must be one of them sets. One of them ones that Ben couldn't give away when people were winning them. I'm having a dig at Ben today. Oh dear. That's about a... that's not first edition, right? That's the first set. That's a 9-inch King Dick because it's got 5 nils. And you got 3, so it's a later version. That was made in from 1908 to 1931. This number 3. In 1931, they changed this spring because it's dangerous. They decided it can come out, rip your hand open. You know, after many people got hospitalised. So that's like, oh, it's another one here. Look, another little. What's this? Fuck, I wish I could fucking read properly. Right, can't see it. Oh, they're good eyes. And CT wrench, ridge number. Wilkinson's, not Wilkinson's the supermarket. That is a oil filter remover. So again, that just hooks on wherever you want it to hook on, look. And then you'd need a fucking big oil filter for all that chain, wouldn't you? Yeah, and then you turn it. Unfortunately, what I've found personally using these now, I try not to use these. I try to use the straps, because these being all metal, you end up catching something. They put the oil filter so close to the starter motor, and there's fucking neutral and earth, and you end up sparking the bollocks off everything. So Oh, little Paramo. I have actually got his brother there. Is he the same? Come on. Just pure chances. This ain't set up because you see me open the box. I don't know what you're sending me, do I? Look at that one. See? Two of them. So, yeah, I already got one of them, which is, I've got a 10, a 12 and a 24 Paramo. An 18, 10, 12, 18. I need a 14. I need a 14. Oh, another Gordon. Well, I'll whoop you over to the wall, but the wall's not really available at the minute. Oh, I've got, what is this? This is a 9-inch, and I have already got a 9-inch. You're a bit slow there, Ben. A bit slow, keeping up with me. No, I don't know if I've released the video then. Oh, I like these big ones. No name, no name. A lot to go through here, isn't there? I have to ask questions. He's got me a lovely jackdaw, look at that. A 15-inch jackdaw. Now, I don't think I've let the video out yet. No, I've been too busy. But I did manage to pick up this the other day. And it's as we know, I collect both now. I collect the jackdaw and jackdaws. So I need an 18-inch jackdaw and I need a 15-inch the jackdaw. But that will not get sold. That is that's an up on the wall horror. I'm happy with that. Well, I was going to sneeze then, got a little bit worried, but no, I'm alright. Right, and then you see this in Ben's video the other day, and he said he'd send it over to me. I was very glad, because when I see it, I thought, God, dear, I like that. Maybe he'll send that to me, but why would he send it to me? But yeah, that goes with my, I test myself. No, I'm alright. I don't know, though. Fucking hell. No. Wouldn't want to test anything with that, would you? Don't really trust that Bakelite handle so close to that metal, but you know, I'll get the kids to test the battery or something with it. See how that goes, but I think that is beautiful. I'm keeping that. Apparently, Ben since told me that someone else he knows paid 25 quid for one of these. Snapped it up, but I like that. If you remember my Ravens set battery charger from the 1950s, 60s, 70s, 020s, don't know. I think that'll go nice with that, so that's a keeper for me. Old Barco span, I got one of these, put it on eBay for 20 notes, and it's still on eBay 6 months later for 20 notes, so yeah, nobody wants these, although this one feels a bit light, and maybe it's alloy. Whitworth, so it's quite old. Right, that's that, that's nice. He's good to me, isn't he, Uncle Ben? Angle, 6-inch angle adjustable, angle. Stowe and Wilcox, USA. Well, that'll have to go up on the 6-inch shelf, won't it? Thank you, Ben. I've not seen one of them, not got one of them. Don't know what to say about them. They're just shit, aren't they? I like the little one, remember? But no, you fucking know I've been selling all my hammers, get rid of me fucking excess shit, and you send me more, you fucker. Alright, thanks Ben. I think this is what I've been waiting for. Not this. That's another square. Oh, I got a thing for the old squares, but I don't know. I don't like. That's a P. Got P on that. That could be P for oh, them little clamps I bought. No, memory's gone again. Me and Ben, I mean, between me and Ben, we don't remember much, do we? Fucking hell. Oh, that's big, isn't it? As we know, I like the old graphites. That's fucking heavy, that. Is that I forget what that's called. But there's a littler one. Look at that. So, that's a much more modern one, this one, because it's got Stanley and not graphite on the handle, but fuck, that's heavy. Right, so that needs a clean. That brand new. I bought this one brand new because I didn't have one, and then Ben sent me one. So I'm happy with that. Thank you, Ben. A lot of I take the piss, but there's a lot of... oh yeah, I need some ply. Fucking price of wood at the minute, Ben. This is like 30 quid worth of ply you've sent me here. I might post this to America. It'd be like winning the lottery, wouldn't it, if you got a box of this arrive in America at the minute. Price of wood. That's a very good idea, though, because that's very lightweight, isn't it? It's, I should have fucking wiped everything, shouldn't I, with alcohol wipes as I took it out. Never mind. Yeah. I'll put all that back in there in case there's any COVID being coughed on it. I'll keep going on, but you know. It's a good job Ben's got a sense of humour. Isn't it? Yeah, right. Well, that's it. So my star arrival there. Fucking hell. My star arrival. Tell me what your favourites is. But I think my best is there, apart from the jackdaw, because the jackdaw is the jackdaw specials, aren't they? You know what I mean? That's my star. That is this. I really like that. Thank you, Ben, for that. That was worth the parcel, mate, just for that. I'm glad you sent that to me. Thank you very much. That was. I don't know why you didn't keep it, because you like weird stuff like that. I don't know. And my money back, I reckon, is these. Although, and that's a keeper. That's my 6-inch American thingy. I think we're into gold. I've got another one there. What's that one? Forgot that one. Oh, that's the 6-inch Gordon. Yeah, I've got Gordon and the other one. And that's a keeper as well. Right, so I've got 2 keepers there, and that voltage thing over there. I'm fucking waffling now, aren't I? And that's a That's a keeper. I ain't sure about the footprint because I haven't got them laid out like you and Nash. I don't know which ones I've got and which ones I ain't. Plus, I mean, I'm not happy about that fucking nut. If you can find me a proper nut and post it, Ben, that would be wonderful. And of course, the rigidities, keeping that. The rest of the stuff's just sellable, isn't it, really? Not toot, but you know what I mean. Not sure about that. I might keep that. I'll clean that up and see what that says. Because, got a few of them. That's just, it's a king dick, and it's nothing special. I'll sell that and then Ben will tell me it's a one-off. And, my lack of knowledge is really showing. Got a bit of a sweat going because it's fucking hot. My workshop's been heating up all day. There's been a bit of a thunderstorm. I've been out gardening for a pensioner for 4 hours in this ridiculous heat. And I was up at 7 o'clock this morning plasterboarding the inside of my fucking conservatory out. So, I'm sorry there's no restorations or no cleans. And if you don't like it, Jack, you know which Jack I'm talking about. Yeah. Don't watch no more. Alright, unsubscribe, fucking hell. Just go around moaning all day. That's my job. I like to go around moaning, but I don't bother leaving nasty comments on people's channels. If I don't like what they do, I don't fucking watch them no more. God dear. Anyone would think I would suck up your wife. Anyway, we'll move on. That's it for today. Have a nice rest of your week, and if I can edit this in time, you'll see it on Wednesday. Alright, people. Bye for now.